Insert one end of the small Y-shaped tube into the air suction port of the device. Then connect the two branches of the Y connector to the ports of the two cups respectively. There are 3 pairs of cups. Choose the appropriate cup based on your bust/hip size. Parameter adjustment. Time recommendation, 15 to 20 minutes. Suction duration, 6 seconds. Release duration, 2 seconds. Suction intensity, adjust according to personal tolerance. For first-time use, start with low suction to avoid discomfort. Since the chest/buttocks cannot be shown on camera, a yoga ball will be used to represent the chest/buttocks in subsequent procedures. Place the cup on the operating area simultaneously, ensuring there are no gaps to prevent air leakage and ensure proper suction. When using on the buttocks or chest, apply essential oil first and then place the cup. After waiting 15 to 20 minutes, remove the cup.